y'all know what it is. It is a boob tape summer. You know this, it's a boob tape summer. Every summer, we are back with our tutorials and we are back showing you how to tape your boobs for all your sexy tops, dresses, anything you need. We are here to show you what to do, okay? So this top is from Route 21. I just went to Route 21 because they had a final closing sale and I just wanted to see what they have. So Route 21 is the end of an era. I remember going to Route 21 when I was a teenager, being so excited about it. So now this closing is crazy in their last 4 days. So I found this top and these pants for $9 total price. So I was like, this is a really good video to show the people how to tape their boobs for the summer. And yeah, let's just get into it. So as you can see, I definitely don't have on a bra. I don't have on boob tape. I don't have on anything. It's a halter top and it needs some work. So the girls should be sitting here and right now they're down here. So I'm going to show you how to tape your boobs for your halter top, okay? So the tape that I'm going to be using today is my absolute favorite and it's called Big Mama. Because I have big boobs, I can use way less tape with Big Mama. I only need like 1 or 2 strips. So I'm going to show you guys how to get into it, okay? So I'm going to come back and I'll have one side taped up and I'll have the other side that's not taped up and I'll show you guys what to do. Okay guys, so I am back and you guys, you can see that there is a visible difference in my left boob and in my right boob. And I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So with Big Mama, if you have big boobs like me, she is your girl, okay? You definitely don't have to use as much tape and it's really, really strong. So as you can see, this one's a little sad. So what we're gonna do to pick her up is we're gonna start at the bottom of our boob and we're gonna lift up to get the attention to pull her up to match the other boob, okay? And the thing I love about this top is that it has like a little thick piece right here, so you can do that. So in order to lift up on it, you gotta lift up on it. So you gotta lift up on the bottom, pull here as such, and you gotta repeat it until, so once I measure it like that, I'm just gonna cut off as much as I need. This is all you need. You just need a little bit. Measuring is key, okay? So here, I'm gonna take my boob tape, pull it off slowly because it's taped so it will roll back up on you. So pull it off slowly. Start at the bottom of your boob. Lift up here. And as you can see, my boobs are matching and I don't even have it on my skin. I just have it on this side of the shirt, okay? And it's pretty much already matching. So if I did one more strip, they would be completely equal. So you definitely want to get your boob tape from shopthetrueleft.com so that you can have matching boobs all summer. So I'm going to go off camera and actually put the tape on both sides so you can see the finished look, and then you'll be convinced to shop. The link in the bio, and the link in the bio, there's a Shop the True Lift link, and that's the one you should click on. And when you do that, we're gonna have 20% off all boob tape today. So let me go off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and my boobs are completely lifted and it changed the whole look of my top. Like, this is the importance of having your boobs sitting up the way you want them to sit up. So for a long time, I contemplated having mine reduced because of how they were looking closed until I started wearing boob tape, because I'm like, okay, when I first came on camera, my boobs were down here. You couldn't even see my stomach. But now that I've lifted my boobs, it changed the complete look of my outfit. And now you can actually see my stomach. You can see, like, oh, okay, like it's a whole different look between the beginning the before and after is two completely different looks. So sometimes it's not about like, oh, I just want them to sit up in my chin. It's about how I look in my clothes, like how I can appear actually smaller instead of looking like, okay, my boobs are down to my freaking belly button. It's just that simple. So that's why I love boob tape. It's literally a $20 breast lift that you don't have to be in pain for. You don't have to go to surgery for. No downtime. It's like on in 5 seconds, off in 5 seconds. Don't snatch it off. Use our True Lift Removal Oil to take it off, or some type of water kind of makes it adhere a little bit more. So sometimes water can be a little bit more painful, but you definitely need some type of oil, okay, to remove it. Don't put oil on your skin before applying it, or it's not gonna stick. So y'all know what type of summer it is. It's a boob type summer. I'm so happy to be back and like post videos for you guys, and to tell you to share this video with your friend, with your family, so that they can order them some boob tape from shopthetruelift.com. Thank you.